Morning guys, welcome another day here down at Auto Craze Silverwater. We got a beautiful 23 Hilux here today. You have seen Hilux builds before, left, right and center. The SR5 hasn't changed much. So all it's got a little camera and front sensors and what have you. So what we're doing today is going to be doing a massive build on this. We're going to be doing brand new set of wheels and tires, a lift kit, the rival bar with the winch, all supplied and fitted. We're going to fit 33s on this bad boy. Hope you guys are excited because we're going to be doing the CalOffroad Lift Kit with the Dobinsons Upper Control Arms and the Dobinsons Diff Job. It looks insane. It's going to be unbelievable. I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of accessories on there. We're going to be doing the bonnet protector, and we're also going to be doing the weather shields, guys. These mother functions over here are going to be working on this massive build. We're going to be doing a rival bar. We're going to be doing the lift. We're also going to be doing a drive tech winch. The boys have already got the bars prepped and ready to go. Boys, are you pumped?
Yes.
My boy. Let's go.